friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we're in my kitchen. Here it is. I know since we moved we haven't done a house tour. I don't know how I feel about house tours, to be honest, but this is my chicken. My chickens are outside. This is my kitchen. And today we are doing a HelloFresh box for dinner. Yes, it is 2:17 right now as I make this. My husband's at work. It's a Sunday. There's my dog. You're gonna hear a lot of that during this video, I'm sure. Usually when I cook, I listen to music, but you know, YouTube, a lot of things are licensed, so no music is going to be happening other than the background music I attribute to this video. But today we are making the chicken sausage and bell pepper gnocchi. So I think I'm just gonna make it so that it's ready when he gets home. We'll just reheat it and we'll probably have like a side salad or something with it. So join me if you'd like in making the chicken sausage and bell pepper gnocchi with Parmesan cream sauce. So first up, I'll get the bag out of the refrigerator because everything comes in a little bag except for the meat comes separately in the box. But here's how it comes. It's kind of neat, and it has the my fridge likes to open. It has the little QR code there because you can just follow the directions on your app too. Chicken sausage. I prefer to just kind of look at the card that it comes with. It has all the directions on the back of it. This one's gonna be real easy. It's a bag, has all the ingredients in there. Just dump it out, wash them up. I'm not gonna show you washing my vegetables because I mean you all know how to wash a vegetable. Pepper, tomato, green onion, some Parmesan, some cream base, a garlic clove, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably just gonna scoop it right out of my minced garlic jar, and some chicken stock concentrate, the gnocchi, and the sweet Italian chicken sausage. And that's it. That's it. It's gonna be simple. All right, so everything's washed. I am not a big tomato person, but when it is like cooked in a sauce, that's fine. I'll eat it. Yes, I know you can't see my head right now, so it says bring a medium pot of salted water to a boil, wash and dry produce. So I guess we should do that as I wave this knife. Okay, so we have the water on to boil. And we're just gonna cut everything. Okay, so all the veggies are cut up. I almost diced the peppers into little diced parts, but they're supposed to leave them as strips. And if you'll notice in the picture, it has the pepper in there red, but they sent a yellow one, which is fine. They can send whatever color they want. I mean, it's a pepper. If it were a green pepper, I'd be a little more worried because like green peppers are more bitter, but the red, orange, yellow peppers, they're all kind of that sweet. So, next up, get a pan out. Let's see. There we go. So we have a pan. It says heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Turn that on. Here's my little oil dispenser. It's just from the Pioneer Woman from Walmart. I think it's real cute. Add sausage and bell pepper, cook, breaking up meat into pieces until brown and cook through 46 minutes. Not 46 minutes, 4 to 6 minutes. Add scallion whites, garlic, and tomato, cook until fragrant, 1 minute. Add a quarter cup water, stock concentrate, and cream sauce base. Simmer until saucy. 1 to 2 minutes, season with salt and pepper to taste, remove from heat, stir in 1 tablespoon butter and half the Parmesan, save the rest for serving until melted and combined. Meanwhile, in the pot of yonki. Says, meanwhile, once water is boiling, add yonki to pot, cook stirring occasionally until tender, 3 to 4 minutes, drain, add drained yonki to pan with sausage and veggies, toss until everything is thoroughly coated in sauce, divide yonki between bowls, top with scallion greens and remaining Parmesan, serve. This is one of the easier ones. It says prep time 5 minutes, cook time 20 minutes, calories 780. So, you know, they do make more like low calorie options, but I thought this was nice, and like serve it with a little side salad if you have like garlic bread you want to put with it too. I think it'd be really nice. There we go. Water's boiling. We're gonna add our yonki. If anyone's wondering, this is just, that's my dog. This is just Rachel Ray. It just breaks up your meat really nicely. This video is not sponsored by any means, so please don't think it is. We've just been doing HelloFresh for like, I don't even know, maybe 6 months or more. We do the 3 meals a week for 2 servings, so you don't have any leftovers with it, like ever. But it just really helps me during the week because like I hate thinking of things to make for dinner. So we do the 3 meals a week for 2 people. I think it's like $60 plus shipping, something like that, like $62 plus shipping. I'll leave a referral link down below if you want to try it. I think you can get like a free box or something. You do like sign up for it, but you can always cancel it afterwards if you don't like it. But it's just something fun. It gets us to try new recipes. I think the next one we're doing is the white cheddar Wonder Burgers is up next. So I'm supposed to be getting on a delivery tomorrow. I usually get them like Sundays or Mondays for the week, and it just really helps me like when I get home from work to think of what to make for dinner. So here we have our little finished plate. So yummy. Look at that steam coming off it. So yeah, I mean, this is the kind of stuff we eat now. I wouldn't think to buy the potato yonki at the store. So it's kind of nice. Is this one a little kind of like hamburger helpery? Sure. But I really love the chicken sausage that HelloFresh has. It's like, I already threw it away. It's a sweet Italian chicken sausage. It's so good. Okay, let's take a little bite. I'm gonna fork. It's $2.47 right now, real time. So I think I started this at like $2.17. It's so good. It is so good. So yeah, I think I'll just do like a little side salad with it. Maybe I'll, you know, make some garlic bread or something for my husband. It's so good. I'm gonna cover this up with plastic to eat it later. This one was super easy. Anyone could do it. I like to cook. Honestly, I really like to cook. Do I like to do it every night? No. So that's why these make it a little bit easier to come home and just already have all the ingredients there, already pre-portioned. I really like it. Again, if you guys, sorry, it's still in my mouth. It's really good. If you guys want to try HelloFresh, I'll leave my link down below. And thank you guys for watching this little impromptu video I decided to do on this Sunday while my husband's at work. You got to see a little bit of my kitchen. Here it is, just a little bit. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.